Box number 2, here we go. Let's see what's in this guy. Ooh. So here's a black and white dropping seeds. This comes in some different colors. I know it comes in a cream as well. The black and white's great. New stripe. Dreaming in One by Bradley Stafford. Wonderful, wonderful little bugs and turtles and things in multiple colors. Dancing Spirit by Colleen Wallace, another favorite. Great for bags, jackets, and quilts. Oh good. This one came in good because this one sold really fast. This is a beautiful stripe called Dreamtime Story, or no, I'm sorry, Home Country. This is Home Country. And the gray is a kind of a pinky gray, so it's a really pretty color that accents a lot of other colors that you use in your projects. Fallen Seeds, background fabric, absolutely gorgeous. Little spots of turquoise and orange on a cream color, and drop Fallen Seeds in black. Then we have this is Bush Dreaming of Utopia. Another black and white with hints of an almost periwinkle gray. Around the Water Hole, this is a fave by Nambuka. Very earthy. And Bambia, this one goes really fast. It's a large scale print, as you can see, so get enough. And Bush Onions. Very versatile in black, gray, and red. Another favorite, Bush Camp. This is great for just about everything. It's a diagonal stripe, so it's really fun to cut up. Another Bush Camp in the red colorway. Let me make sure that it is actually, they call it red. Yes, they do call it red. Sometimes the color doesn't match the name, so be careful. Look at the pictures and check the video again and again to make sure you're buying the right product. This is Bush Banana. This is one of the perennial favorites from this line. Absolutely wonderful. Okay.